4.5 billion years ago, Earth didn't exist. There was only a young sun, burning bright, surrounded by dust, gas, and chaos. No oceans, no land, no life. Just space and time. Then, gravity went to work. Tiny grains of dust crashed into each other. They stuck. Small became big. Big became worlds. And one of those worlds was Earth. But this newborn Earth was nothing like the planet you know. It was hell. The surface was a glowing ocean of magma. Asteroids smashed into it non-stop. Mountains melted. The sky burned. Then, something incredible happened. A planet called Theia, almost as big as Earth, slammed into it. The impact was so powerful, it nearly destroyed the planet. Rock exploded into space. And from that debris, the moon was born. The moon changed everything. It stabilized Earth's spin. It controlled the tides. It made seasons possible. Without the moon, Earth would be too chaotic for life. Slowly, Earth began to cool. Volcanoes filled the air with steam and gases. The sky grew thick and dark. Then it started to rain. Not for days, not for years, for millions of years. Rain hit hot rock and turned to steam. Rivers carved the land. Water collected in low places. And Earth turned blue. Oceans covered the planet. But these oceans were deadly. No oxygen, no protection from radiation, just chemistry waiting. Deep in the oceans, near hot volcanic vents, energy met minerals. Simple molecules formed, until one of them did something unbelievable. It copied itself. That was the first life. Tiny, invisible, fragile, but unstoppable. For 2 billion years, life stayed simple. Single-celled organisms ruled the planet. They used sunlight for energy. And as waste, they released oxygen. At first, oxygen was toxic. It poisoned the oceans. But slowly, everything changed. The sky turned blue. An ozone layer formed. Earth learned how to breathe. This was the great oxygen event. Oxygen also cooled the planet. Ice spread from the poles. Earth froze, almost completely. This was Snowball Earth. But volcanoes kept releasing carbon dioxide. The planet warmed again. The ice melted. Life survived. And then it exploded. About 540 million years ago, life changed fast. This was the Cambrian explosion. Creatures with eyes, shells, legs, and jaws appeared. Predators hunted. Evolution raced forward. The oceans became a battlefield of survival. Eventually, some life crawled onto land. Plants came first, turning the continents green. They filled the air with oxygen. Insects followed, then amphibians, then reptiles. The continents joined into one massive land, Pangaea. But Earth's story is always about balance, creation and destruction. 5 times, life nearly vanished. The worst was the Permian extinction. 90% of all species died. Oceans turned acidic. Skies went dark, but life endured. From the survivors came dinosaurs. For 150 million years, they ruled Earth, until one day, the sky fell. A giant asteroid hit Earth, near what is now Mexico. The impact was devastating. The dinosaurs were gone, and mammals rose. From small mammals came something new. Us, humans. We learned to walk upright, to make tools, to control fire. We looked at the stars, the same stars that watched Earth being born. We built civilizations, cities, machines. In just a blink of cosmic time, we changed the planet. But here's the truth. We are not separate from Earth. Every breath you take was once part of a volcano, a dinosaur, or the first life in the sea. Earth is still alive, still evolving. And what happens next depends on us, because we are not visitors here. We are the continuation of a story, 4.5 billion years in the making. When you look at your hands, you are looking at stardust, atoms made in ancient stars. And when you look up at the night sky, you're looking at the home that created you.